If you are wondering if you can expect Android 17 on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then the answer is yes, most definitely. Right now, as I'm recording this video, well, we just happened to get Android 16 not so long ago, but generally speaking, you can go to settings and of course open system in order to find the software updates option. And over here we can go to system update in order to check if there is Android 17 ready. Now, as I'm recording this video right now, there is no information about Android 17 at all. If you're watching this video much later, perhaps there are some speculations already, or maybe it was announced that the Android 17 is coming, and definitely Google Pixel phones will be one of the first smartphones to get Android 17. However, as I said, right now there is information about it, so I cannot be certain when we can expect Android 17. So just look up some news and check out if there is some information about it. But Android 17 is definitely coming to Google Pixel 10 Pro XL because we have been promised to receive up to 7 major Android upgrades, which also includes, of course, Android 17. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.